Hey Popcorn, I'm your Tito Ronjem, and I think you're a girl.
Hi Popcorn, this is your Tita Rox. I think you're a boy.
Hello, Popcorn. May popcorn talaga.
Yung nickname.
Siya.
Kung strawberry or caramel.
Yeah, so this is Tito Alan. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ayun. Ako feeling ko ano ka, girl. Pag boy ka, maging girl ka na lang. Grabe. Ayun. Sige, yun lang.
Hi Popcorn. Tingin ko boy ka. Ayun, sana makinig ka sa mami mo palagi. Yun lang. Pakabait ka. Bye.
Hi, Popcorn.
And I'm Tita Thea.
I'm Tito Kevin.
And she's Ate Erin. But you can call her Ate Sarah. Ang hula namin ay ikaw ay girl, Lalush.
Ang hula ko, ikaw ay strawberry popcorn.
Strawberry popcorn ba? Ayun, hoping na mag-grow ka as a healthy baby and mabait kay mommy. And playmate ni Ate Sarah soon!
Yay! Bye-bye!
Hi, Popcorn. Hi ka ulit. Hi. Hi, Popcorn. Look at me. Dapat ganito ka din ka-energetic.
Hi Popcorn. Hula ko girl kasi blooming si Mike. So si Tito Jun to. So ako yung coolest tito mo dito sa e-trading. Huwag kang maniniwala sa mga yan, ha? See you soon.
Thank you!
Hi, Popcorn. Si Tito Dop here. Guess ko, baby girl. Kasi yung mami mo blooming. Tapos, ayun, hope to see you soon. Play kayo ng baby ko rin. Tapos, si mami mo super strong. Maging proud ka sa kanya. Yun lang.
Hi Popcorn! Super excited to meet you. I'm looking forward to hold you, to touch you, to see you smile in person. I hope that you will come out healthy and awesome, and of course a very loving baby to Mommy Micah. And never forget that you are loved beyond measure and that a legion of people love you. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Popcorn! Praying for lots of love and happiness to you and your mommy Micah. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!